In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a star field that can be zoomed in and out. There's no mesh in the scene. The star field was created by using the world nodes. Since zooming in and out manually won't do anything in this setup, we must adjust the camera's focal length to achieve the effect. Let's select the world. Here are the full nodes. These nodes are the math nodes. I'll zoom in more. The nodes won't do much even if we change their values. They were used to create the star field pattern, and we must adjust the camera's focal length to achieve the zoom effect. The only thing that was found to be interesting is how we can create a space travel effect by adjusting the color ramp node. Even changing the Voronoi node settings won't do anything. This is how the scene looks like in Eevee. Let's adjust the focal length setting. I have tried animating the focal length value, and that worked well. The render preview will be slow, but the rendered animation won't have any slowness issues. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.